Well, the kids are our most valuable part of our population, in my opinion. And what we know is best for kids is to help them early on.
Social media,
The iPhone,
mental health issues,
Texting and posting.
Self-esteem,
depression and anxiety,
school shooting,
alienation.
Suicide rates,
isolated.
cyberbullying.
this is a hard time to be a kid.
When the community response team started in Douglas County for adults, that was such an amazing idea. Looking at the CRT statistics, we saw a little over a third of those calls were for youth. And so we need a specialized team that's trained to work with our youth. And that was part of the inception of the Youth CRT.
So Youth CRT is a collaborative team with a clinician, an officer, and a case manager.
The Youth CRT is an enhancement to what we can do with our students. It's another layer of support that we didn't have before.
The team is able to connect families with resources. There's case managers available, there are therapists, so they're able to connect families in real time with resources. And this is incredibly important because when a family is under duress, sometimes it's all they can do just to survive.
If a kid is struggling with a little thing here, before it builds up big, you can, get that kid's support right then and there.
We always want to prevent kids from getting to the place where they feel like they can't be here anymore. We want to create a safer environment for them where they are not having those thoughts to hurt themselves or to hurt anyone else.
the more people we have loving on our kids, the better. So it's an extension of what we do. We just have people who care so much in this building and in this community about our students that they are just another opportunity for us to wrap our arms around the kids and families and provide them the help they need and the guidance they need, because they just don't always know what to do. It's hard when you're in it.
The Youth CRT has taken over hundreds of calls and come in to support students in need, and it's been amazing.
You know, not only does it take a tremendous load off of us, but just that tremendous sense of they got our back. We've got backup if we need it, and we often need it.
How many lives have Kaylee and I saved? I don't know, but I'm hoping that the number's pretty high because we've dealt with a lot of kids that have been in a major crisis mode.
My feeling is that 10 years from now, this team will be replicated across the country. And it's not going to be because it's a nice thing to have, it's going to be because it's absolutely essential.
I've been a patrol officer for 20 years, and for the first time in law enforcement, I actually feel like I'm making a real difference in a person's life, and we're getting them the resources that's going to change their life down the road.